Capturing sharp, professional quality photos often depends on having a stable and reliable support system. Today, we're going over the best travel tripod for photography from our top picks: lightweight portability, sturdy construction, and quick setup, making them ideal for landscapes, cityscapes, and travel adventures. Here are the top choices worth considering for your next trip. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. K&F CONCEPT Tripod. The K&F CONCEPT Tripod is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers who need a versatile support system capable of handling a wide range of shooting situations. One of its most impressive features is the patented gimbal design, combined with highly flexible legs that can be adjusted from 0 degrees to 120 degrees, allowing users to capture unique angles that are difficult to achieve with standard tripods. The full 360-degree panoramic rotation further enhances creativity, making it ideal for landscape photography, panoramic shots, and professional video work. With a maximum height of 90 inches, this tripod easily rises above crowds and obstacles, providing perspectives that many compact travel tripods cannot match. Despite its impressive height, it folds down to a manageable 21 inches, making transportation relatively convenient. The enlarged 28mm center column contributes significantly to stability, helping reduce vibrations and camera shake, especially during long exposures or telephoto shooting. Its sturdy ball head supports equipment weighing up to 22 pounds, which is sufficient for most DSLR and mirrorless camera setups.
Number 2. Peak Design Tripod. The Peak Design Tripod stands out as one of the most innovative travel tripods available today. Designed from the ground up with portability in mind, it delivers professional-grade stability and performance while packing down to roughly the size of a water bottle. This unique design makes it especially appealing to travel photographers, content creators, and adventurers who need to maximize space in their bags. The setup process is remarkably fast thanks to its distinctive leg architecture and quick-release locking system, allowing users to deploy the tripod in seconds without the usual hassle of twisting or flipping multiple locks. Despite its compact size, the tripod supports up to 20 pounds of equipment, making it suitable for full-frame cameras paired with telephoto lenses. The omnidirectional ball head simplifies operation with a single adjustment ring, enabling smooth and precise positioning without complicated controls. Another standout feature is the built-in mobile phone mount hidden within the center column, providing instant compatibility for smartphone photography and video creation. The integrated hook also allows users to add weight for improved stability in windy conditions.
Number 3. NEEWER LITETRIP LT32 Carbon Fiber Tripod. Although listed as a Manfrotto Element Tripod, the specifications describe the NEEWER LITETRIP LT32 Carbon Fiber Tripod, a lightweight yet highly capable travel companion for photographers. Constructed from 100% carbon fiber, it weighs only 2.6 pounds while maintaining an impressive load capacity of up to 22 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of camera systems. The compact folded length of 17 inches allows it to fit easily into travel bags, making it particularly attractive for outdoor photographers and travelers. One of its strongest features is the detachable, quick-leveling ball head, which offers 360-degree panoramic movement and plus or minus 15-degree leveling adjustments for accurate horizon alignment. The dual U-slot design allows for easy portrait orientation shooting, while the bubble level helps ensure precise composition. The tripod also includes an Arca-type quick-release plate that is compatible with several popular mounting systems, enabling fast camera changes in the field.
Number 4. Manfrotto Element MI Tripod. The Manfrotto Element MI Tripod is a thoughtfully designed support system aimed at hobbyists, travelers, and content creators who frequently switch between smartphones and cameras. Its aluminum construction offers a strong balance between durability and portability, weighing only 1.55 kilograms while supporting equipment loads of up to 8 kilograms. This capacity makes it suitable for mirrorless cameras, DSLRs, and even setups with larger zoom lenses. One of the tripod's most attractive features is the included smartphone clamp and Bluetooth remote, which make mobile photography and video recording far more convenient. Whether creating social media content, travel vlogs, or family photos, users can quickly switch between devices without needing additional accessories. The tripod extends to a maximum height of 160 centimeters, while folding down to just 42.5 centimeters, making it easy to carry during travel and outdoor adventures.
Its rapid leg opening mechanism and ergonomic twist lock system allow for quick setup and secure positioning, ensuring users spend more time shooting and less time adjusting equipment. Number 5. Fotopro 62-inch Carbon Fiber Tripod. The Fotopro 62-inch carbon fiber tripod is a lightweight and travel-friendly option designed for photographers who need portability without compromising stability. Weighing only 2 pounds, it is approximately 40% lighter than many aluminum alternatives, making it particularly appealing for travelers, hikers, and outdoor photographers. Despite its low weight, the tripod can support equipment weighing up to 17.6 pounds, which is sufficient for most mirrorless and DSLR camera setups. Its compact folded size of just 14.17 inches allows it to fit easily into carry-on luggage and travel backpacks, making transportation exceptionally convenient. The carbon fiber construction helps absorb vibrations more effectively than aluminum, resulting in sharper images during long exposures and challenging shooting conditions. The tripod features 3 adjustable leg angles, enabling stable positioning on uneven ground, slopes, and rugged terrain. A standout feature is its ability to convert into a monopod in less than 10 seconds, providing added versatility for sports, wildlife, and event photography. The reversible center column supports low-angle and macro photography, while the 360-degree ball head facilitates smooth panoramic shooting. That wraps up the top 5 best travel tripod for photography. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.